The best thing about being a profitable trader is you can trade from any part of the world and from anywhere. Be it the swimming pool, be it the gym, you can place trades. That's why in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you the best day trading strategy that I use whenever I travel to make money from anywhere, even in sleep. So traders, if you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe and let's jump into the video. So traders, the best thing about Forex, guys, you can make money from literally anywhere. Now for me, I'm a person who likes to gym, travel, play basketball. Literally, I love a soft life. And for me to have a soft life, I need to know how to trade the simplest way, guys. So now the pair that I love to trade most times when I travel is gold. The reason why gold gives me so much money, and I don't need to be in the markets all the time. So let me jump onto my chart right here. So you can see, guys, before I show you these trades that I caught, as you can see, I've called so far 1, 2, 3, and then the last trade I caught it today. This trade right here on a Monday, guys. You see? So before I show you how I caught these trades, let me first just illustrate for you how simple my strategy is, guys. So traders, one thing now I always do when I want to trade in the Forex market, first of all, I'm going to keep everything simple. We are going to be trading market structure. So market structure is basically, where we have price pushing none upward, as you can see. Price is going to go up, giving us higher highs and higher lows, as you can see. Higher highs and higher lows, as you can see. And then when price reaches a time and it's going to reverse, it can probably reverse and come to probably a ranging market like this, you see. Or from a ranging market, we can have probably a downtrend market, just like this. Now traders, whenever we are trading, there's the way bank trades and we retail traders how we trade. Now for me, I'm a retail trader, obviously. I know how to trade like the banks, but also I know how to trade like retail traders. Now, how do retail traders trade? So anytime when you have price pushing an uptrend like this, as you can see, so when price forms a higher high, it's coming down here to find a support, and then after it will break this part right here, which is our resistance, and then the resistance will become support, as you can see. So we often take our trades from this point, and this point until price probably reverses. Then we take our trades from when price comes to the resistance zones up here, and up here. So let me mark out for you all the zones we would be taking trades off. We'll take a trade there, and also we'll take a trade exactly like this level right here, as you can see. Now this is the basic way, but there's a plot twist. You see, we buy here, and then probably be selling the opposite way. Now why did I call this the basic way? Reason why, this is how every retail trader thinks, because we're just going to be taking trades off when price comes back to the support zones in an uptrend, and then be selling off when price comes back to the resistance zones. But the only difference between me and other retail traders is the psychology that I apply to my trading, and I'm going to be showing you that in a minute. That's why you have to watch this video from the start to the end, guys. And if you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe. Now, this is market structure. We need first always identify the structure of the market. We are in an uptrend, as you can see. So when you come to your daily time frame, you're going to see we have been in an uptrend for the gold market. As you can see, we have been in a steep uptrend, as you can see. So meaning whatever I'm doing, I'm going to be looking for buys. Anything that doesn't look like a buy, I'm not placing my trade there. So it's traders. So that is first thing I'm looking out for. The market structure, we're in an uptrend. Now when I come into my 1 hour candle, now this is how I caught my trades, guys. This is the retail way. But the reason why I kept on looking only for buys is because every retail trader was looking for sells, thinking, okay, now price has reached its highest point on gold. It's now going to reverse. And that is how most of you guys have been taken out. Me, I've been looking only for buys. But as I told you, I used the basic retail way. What is the basic retail way? So I started catching my trades from this zone right here, guys, as you can see. Basic way, you see. This price went as high as this part right here, making this a resistance, as you can see. Price rejects this part right here, but as it's coming, it gives us an ascending triangle. Ascending triangle is a reversal candle to the upper side. I catch my trade immediately when price came back to retest. As you can see, we had a breakout and a retest, as you can see. So I took my trade is exactly at the same exact zone, as you can see, and made off money up to when price came up there, as you can see, because we had green candles. Price was aggressively buying, as you can see. Now price reaches this spot right here. Again, I don't trade, but anyone would have taken a trade there by applying just a Fibonacci retracement from down here to up there. As you can see, price came back in to fill up this fair value gap, as you can see, guys. And remember, this is gold. The reason why I love to trade gold is not everyone likes to trade gold. Gold is very volatile, meaning everyone is going to be trading Euro, USD, GBP, JPY, and pairs that are over traded, they are over manipulated. Gold, it's very hard for gold to be manipulated because not everyone jumps onto gold, guys. So I was gonna say, so when price pumped up to this spot right here, obviously you can see we had a fair value gap that was left in the market, guys. I will tell you every time, fair value gap is always an imbalance in the market, guys. Market has to come back and fill it up. As you can see, price came tapped into the fair value gap, and this is what you always want to see when price comes up to the fair value gap. Tap in and then go back up, as you can see. So anyone would have taken their buy trades again from here, but since for me I was taking off support and resistance zones, remember the retail way, I waited that the price came back and broke this part right here. Now this is again the basic way. Anytime when price breaks, we wait for a retest. Now boom, bull takes the trade. My name is Bull, obviously, guys. So I take another trade, as you can see. I take another trade, measuring out this take profit. You see this distance from here to here. This is what I measured out as my take target, as you can see. So I put my target there, putting my stop loss just below here, and again, boom, price shoots up. Remember, we're following market structure. Price is just shooting up. And when you want confirmation candles, guys, look at this. We have confirmation candles. Here I had a hammer. You guys, when zoom in properly, you see this hammer candle, as you can see. And also you can see the momentum for buyers was just building up. And then we had a hammer. A hammer is a reversal candle to the upper side. We had price pump up to this part right here. And then after come reject this level. As you can see, it came back down here. It gave us a fake out. So again, which level would I be looking to buy again? When price comes back to this zone right here, because now price was giving me over like a small ranging market, because you can see taps here, comes back here. Now here it fakes out people, and then after it comes back down here, as you can see, traders. Now from this part right here, we had price just shooting up. Remember, we are just buying. Like that stuck in my head. We are buying. Whatever we are doing, we are buying. We are not selling gold at any cost. That is the difference between me and other retail traders. As other retail traders were thinking, oh, price, okay, it's not going to reverse and come back down here. I knew price was going to buy, guys. Look at what the events that are happening right now in the world, guys. Bitcoin is shooting. You see, and before I go any further, guys, there's so many economic events that affect these markets and make the price go up crazy. And how do you find those economic events? Look no further than Fast Bull, guys. So this is our Fast Bull platform. And before I go any further, guys, you can see we have the BrokersView Expo that's happening in Dubai tomorrow, and then also on the 17th. So from the 16th to 17th, we are having the BrokersView Expo in Dubai, guys. Make sure to be there. All your leading brokers are going to be there. Go and meet them in person. You know, I'm going to be leaving a link of this event so that you can sign up. And so this is my first bull, guys, as you can see. So when I come to my first bull, I go straight to my most important part, is seeing the economic events. Before I start off any trading day, I have to make sure to know what economic events are going to be happening. We have some volatile economic events, but if you want to have high volatile news that are going to affect the markets, you have to come to screen right here and then tap more, and then you're going to only select the red ones, the 3 stars that are selected red. The only ones you're going to leave. When you select only those, they're going to show you every economic event that we have tomorrow. So today was a Monday, now tomorrow is a Tuesday, so these are economic events that we have tomorrow. So what do we have tomorrow? We have one of the most volatile economic events. We have unemployment rate in the UK. We have FOMC. We have the Federal Reserve Chairman Paul Well speaking tomorrow, guys. So you can literally see everything is laid out here. And whatever you tap on, guys, you can even put an alarm like this. You see, you can set an alarm, and then they will alert you probably 10 minutes before the release. So you're sober. You know, you're in the markets before this happens. Because if you're caught up in the markets by economic events and you are not there, guys, you can literally lose your whole account, guys. So don't blow your money, guys. Make sure to get your Fast Bull account. I'm going to be leaving a link below this video. Now, we had, again, as I mentioned, we took another trade from here, as you can see. This was a double trade, and I made sure that I'm leaving my stop loss the same, as you can see, guys. So, again, we had price bounce off from this part right here, and then it shot up. So, I took this trade, obviously, as you can see. Now, this one, I didn't put my target up there. I didn't take it up to up here. Now, I took my target from here to here, as you can see, guys. Just risking a few. You know, you don't want to always be greedy, guys. Trading in the forex market is just like a piece of cake. You only get a small piece of cake. You know, you can't get the whole thing. So you only have to get a small thing. Take that share. You can always come back and get another piece, guys. If you want to get the whole thing, you blow up your account, guys. So you can see. So price approach this zone right here. It shot up with momentum, guys, giving us this another resistance zone. But obviously, price left this fair value gap in the market. And you know me, guys, when it comes to fair value gaps, I'm going to maximize off them. Period. Price comes back, fills up the fair value gap. I set my buy limits. When I'm trading fair value gaps, I like to use buy limits, because most of the time price is just going to come aggressive, like tap in and then go back up, and most of the time you probably miss out. Like the other trade, like the last trade I'm going to show you, guys, stay on. The last trade I'm going to show you, I also use the buy limit, as you can see. So I took my trade again from here. Price pushed up. Whenever I'm taking trades off like retracements, now you can even see this was like more of a retracement. I just measure out the previous move that shot up. So you can see this market moved from here to here. So I measure this distance between here and here as the same distance as my take profit, as you can see. Setting a small stop loss, as you can see, guys. So these are the first trades that I took, as you can see from here, and this is all the basic way, guys. The only difference with me, I think different. I'm not controlled by the metrics, because everyone is going to be looking for sales. But for me, I knew we're in a market structure, uptrend. I'm going to be buying traders. So again, market starts buying until we reach this part right here. Now here, I didn't take any trades because I was quite puzzled, because again, we had so many economic events, so I didn't want to trade, So here, I didn't trade anything. As you can see, there's too much noise. Probably I would have taken a trade when price broke this trend line, but again, there is a big piece for everyone, guys. So this was the recent high from last week on Friday, and the price for Friday closed, and the gold market on Friday closed from down here. We had this aggressive selling, as you can see, traders. Now, over the weekend, we had some political crisis between Iran and Israel. Now, everyone thought when price opened up, it was just going to shoot up. But obviously, the price didn't do that. It just started consolidating, as you can see. We had this consolidation, as you can see. But after this consolidation, one thing you need to understand, guys, and I want you to listen to this properly. Before good trades happen, the masses have to be taken out. Literally, the masses have to be wiped out. That is when good trades will happen. So what did we have here? We had price, first of all, break this part right here, as you can see. So we had, again, consolidation. Everyone was, again, buying, putting their surpluses below. Everyone was just buying and putting their surpluses below, as you can see. Now, what price did is price came down and wiped out everyone's stop loss, as you can see. Price dropped and wiped out everyone's stop loss, as you can see, from this consolidation, because everyone thought price is going to shoot up. As again, price has already did. But what price did, it first wiped out everyone. Then after gaining momentum like this, price started shooting up. Now for me, I didn't take my trade there, as you can see. So I would have used my limit order right here, as you can see. This blue line, because again, these blue lines I keep on drawing, guys. I don't remove them from my charts. I let them be there for future use, as you can see. Price came tapped in. I would have taken my trade here, or even on these next candles. So what I did is, I took my trade after price pulling back into my zone here, because again, this was a very big pin back candle. You can see this is a very big peak. This is a very big pin back candle, as you can see, guys. And even when I check on my 4-hour candle, you will see that there is a very, very strong, pullback to the upper side. As you can see, guys, we had now a dragonfly doji. You can see this dragonfly doji right here. Price pulled back into that zone, as you can see, guys. So I took my trade on this other candle. But again, guys, if you have followed me for the longest, you have seen me how I maximize over 5 value gaps. I'm going to sing 5 value gaps until you guys will understand 5 value gaps always work. So I took my trade here, targeting this 5 value gap, as you can see. That's why I put my take profit, and I'm out of the market. I don't care if market is going to go even up to this side. I don't care. All that mattered for me is this 5 value gap right here. So I took my trade, risking very less pips, and that is how guys have been making money, guys. Literally, you can use this same retail trading basic way, but you just have to have a strong thinking and psychology to hold your trades and to think different, guys. Trading in the forex market is not hard. It's simple, not easy, but simple. So that is the video for you today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be seeing you in my next, and don't forget, first bull will save you a lot, guys, with those economic events. God bless you. I'll see you in my next.